Hello everyone. So this is my first Littmann stethoscope. So in today's video I'll be unboxing this. This is in smoke black finish. You can see black, and this is the bill. You can see here. This is black, and I got this for 94.40 with my engraving on it. I'll show you the engraving also. I bought it from Surgicalshoppe, and they gifted me this also, this beautiful bag to carry the case. To carry the stethoscope. So this is the stethoscope. This is black in color, smoke finish. You can see, and moreover I have my name engraved on it. You can see my name. This is packed in December only. Thank you for watching this video. Do give a like.